How to backup data on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to accounts and backup option. Tap on accounts and backup. Now here you can see three options to backup: Samsung Cloud, Google Drive backup, or Samsung Smart Switch option. So first let's see Samsung Cloud option. Tap on a backup data. Now update the Samsung Cloud app to synchronize or backup data. Now tap on a backup data. Now updating the app. So wait until let's see Google Drive option. Tap on a backup data. Now make sure to go on backup by Google One option. Here you can see backup yesterday 10:56 am. Tap on a backup now button. Here you can see backup detail apps, photos and video, SMS and MMS messages. Here you can see off option. Tap on it. Make sure to go on it to backup your photos and video to your Google account so you can easily backup. Go back. Call history, device setting, Google account data. Here you can see contact, Google Play Movie, calendar, Gmail. All your data backup to this Gmail account on your device. So tap on a backup now button to backup to your Google option. Let's go back. Now tap on a backup data in Samsung Cloud. Now you can see list of options. You can backup to Samsung Cloud, call logs, messages, contact, calendar, setting, home screen, app, toggle on or toggle off the data you want to backup on the device. Also tap on the three dots to more information. Now tap on a backup now option at the bottom. Backup all your data. Tap on a backup now. Now you can see backup the data on your phone. Wait until complete the process. When complete the backupping data, you can see the message on your device. Now wait until complete the process. Now you can see all tick mark and tap on a done option. Now backup data to your Samsung Cloud. You can also tap on a restore data. Here you can restore data to your home. Go back. We already discussed backup data using Google Drive. You can use Samsung Smart Switch to transfer data from device setup or external storage transfer. Tap on transfer data for device setup. Here you can transfer your Samsung device data to another phone. Tap on send data to send or receive or choose wireless or cable option. Now go back. External storage transfer option. So make sure insert SD card or connect a USB storage to backup using a external storage device. So this is the all method you can use to backup your Samsung Z Fold 6 data to Google Drive or Samsung Cloud. That's it. If you like it, share it.